Hey there, welcome to today's video where we tackle a common tech problem. Now, here's the deal. We have a user who's trying to connect a new external hard drive with a USB-C port to an old Mac, specifically a late 2015 iMac. The user is looking to maximize the data transfer speed between the hard drive and the Mac, but they're not quite sure how to go about it. Let's dive into this interesting problem and find a solution that works. In our proposed solution, the key component to achieving the desired 10 gigabit speed is using a Thunderbolt 3, USB-C to Thunderbolt 2 adapter, along with a self-powered Thunderbolt 3 dock. By setting up the connection with a Thunderbolt 2 to Thunderbolt 2 cable, followed by the adapter, dock, and appropriate cables, we can ensure a seamless and efficient transfer of data between the old iMac and the new USB-C hard drive. It might sound a bit convoluted, but trust me, it's worth it for that extra speed boost. Now, let's sum it all up. To connect a USB-C external hard drive to an old iMac, like the late 2015 model, you'll need a Thunderbolt 3 USB-C to Thunderbolt 2 adapter, a self-powered Thunderbolt 3 dock, and the right cables to make it all work smoothly. This setup will allow you to achieve the maximum data transfer speed possible and make the most out of your hardware. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy computing.